Hello, everybody. I'm Rudrani, and welcome to Filmfare OTT Awards 2025. With me is the queen who's been winning hearts forever now. You watched the reality show and you gave us so much love, and you continue to do, as you know, always stylishly dressed, the beautiful Shalini Pasi. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I have missed you, and it's so good to have occasion where I bump into you spreading happiness.
See, you should have just said the word that I'm missing you. I would have arrived sooner.
There you go. I say it. I'll keep repeating it. But it's wonderful. Would you want to describe your absolutely cute outfit and that bag?
So I was going to wear a black outfit and match the legendary Filmfare statue, but then I thought if I win it, then it would merge. So I thought contrast would be really lovely, and I'm keeping my fingers crossed.
We have to be hopeful. We're all cheering for Shalini to get that black lady. Why not? But nomination. Oh my God, it's Filmfare OTT and you've been nominated. It's quite the moment. Is it surreal?
Well, yes, today when I was getting ready and I was like, oh my God, Filmfare, this award that we have heard about, read about, I'm nominated for that, and I was just grateful to God and everybody who has, helped me with my journey, and people like you, people like so many like friends and family and fans all over the world, and I'm so grateful for them, and I really want this award so I can do more work.
And we, like I said, we're all cheering for you. I hope you really, really win it. But of course, Mash Ball, it was quite the occasion. It was such a big hit. Tell me how it was to go back to what you obviously love. You've been very, very busy doing so many other things as well. But your true calling will always be the initiatives that you do, isn't it?
Yes. So I think for me, each of my projects or the initiative, they give energy to me. I also get bored very fast. So if I'm doing one thing continuously, I just feel a little drained. Then I go back to doing maybe something with the arts or fashion or philanthropy, and then I get more energy from there. And then I bring it to my projects. Mashball, of course, was quite incredible. It was a wonderful experience to do the whole ball again, the second edition. Now I've finished writing a book, and which is going to be announced very soon. So lots of things happening, and yeah.
Also, it was so wonderful to see you obviously support, Aryan show. It's such a massive hit. You've seen him grown up. You've been so close to them. Tell me what you felt about watching Bads of Bollywood and Aryan's wonderful directorial debut.
So I was expecting a very dark comedy, something, a very dark thriller, and my God, I have watched it twice, and it is so him. Every word, it is so much him. I can feel him obsessing and rewriting and changing, and the whole show is just absolutely fantastic. It's I think it's been taken to a different level. Even my scene that was there, and Aryan even saw my costume. He's like, I was dressed as the award actually. I was wearing a black outfit. I was actually dressed as a award. So and my line was like, I don't care about FF. I just care about myself. So that was the whole pun on me. In fact, he wanted me to sing also, and I did sing. But I think there was another singer, so my part got cut. There was another singer, right? The person who was singing. So, but it was really wonderful to see him in this journey, and I'm sure he's going to be doing amazing work.
What is a misconception about you, even now, the people have that you'd like to break?
I feel very happy if they have misconceptions. I feel please believe, everything you say is true.
The last one is what is the advice that you'd give to people who want to be true reality stars like you have been?
Well, I didn't watch any series or anything before shooting, and I was just being myself because I had a lot of work on hand. I was finishing that, and I was just being me. So honestly, what I find it very difficult to understand that why would people be interested in my life. That is something I often ask people. I said, why are you so interested? Like today also, when I was flying in from Delhi to Bombay, I had all these air hostesses. There were lots of young girls, and then there were their grandmoms, and they were coming and taking pictures, and so I just feel that I'm just lucky for this love because there's so many people on the platform, and I think you just have to be you. You have to be authentic, and also I think most importantly, you have to stand for something bigger than yourself, whether it's women issues, even if you say it politely in a very light way, you don't have to go all out. Whether you talk about gender equality, whether you talk about equal opportunities, whether you talk about just being a kind person, or just, I think, having goals which are larger than yourself. I think that's what is most important.
I'd like to ask you. This is the last thing that I'm asking you. You know, there were a lot of misconceptions that were there in the show, or people. There were some disturbances that you had in the show. Later, post the show with your team people. I want to know: is that all sorted? Are you good with everybody else in the reality show now? Did you all have a conversation and sort that bit out?
There was a conversation, I think, which Karan put out. But I think these things happen, when you're shooting, when there are like so many women, cast, everything. So these things happen, and I think it's all the part of, when if you and I are spending a lot of time together, I'm sure you will not miss me as much.
But I'd like to end by saying, would you like to drop some tea for the next season?
Well, lots of tea. I think there'll be a whole tea garden, hopefully. So you guys can go plucking in. I think that's what gives you joy.
I think it gives us joy to see you happy as well. So thank you so much. She has been the breakout performance of the year, gotten so much love. And of course, it's been a film that has been discussed so much. Thank you for doing this. How excited are you?
I'm very excited and thank you so much for this kind introduction.
You were just being mentioned by one of the greatest directors, Vikramaditya Motwane, saying you are one of his favorite performances. Can you highlight on what this role meant for you, the significance, and of course, you all have already gone to film festivals and made us proud there, and this is home ground.
Yes, I think it's very special coming to home ground and being able to talk about women and their sexuality with everyone here. And I got this film at a stage where I was figuring out what is working for me, and I think it really did set a benchmark for me for a lot of things that I want to do in the future. And having more women in cinema is something that I'm really looking forward to, and that's the experience that I got from the set.
What is one thing about your character that you loved and one thing that you absolutely didn't?
One thing I loved about her was that she's brave and she took her own decisions. And one thing I didn't like about her, which I eventually liked, was that she didn't like her mother. And I love my mother. So, but I'm glad that through the film that she found that love for her.
I'll quickly let you go. Before that, can you tell me a few shows that you've loved, few actors that you'd love to collaborate with, and yeah.
I think the shows that I love would be Patalok, Cough, and Black Warrant. And some actors that I really loved would definitely be Anurag Thakur from Black Warrant, Shubham Vardhan from Stolen. I think he was really good, and he writes also, so it's just brilliant. And of course, Monica Pawar from Cough.
You see how brilliant she is. All wonderful recommendations, by the way, and they're fantastic. She is gorgeous. She's talented. Of course, I'm talking about Pratibha Ranta. Thank you for joining in. Look at you.
Thank you so much.
पर मुझे लगता है OTT वो स्पेस है जहाँ एक्टर्स को एक्सपेरिमेंट करने का मौका मिलता है और कुछ भी करने का मौका मिलता है. आपके क्या कमेंट्स हैं?
I love being in this space because it allows you to be who you are, and that's the beauty of cinema, and it allows cinema to grow. So, absolutely.
इस साल के कुछ फेवरेट शोज या परफॉर्मेंसेज जो आपको बहुत पसंद आए वो कौन से हैं?
I really loved Black Warrant. I loved Freedom at Midnight. I'm really rooting for Nikhil sir to win, and yeah.
A genre that Pratibha wants to experiment, वो कौन सा होगा?
Maybe comedy for sure. Something that I've not stepped in right now, and I really want to step into that.
Can you give us more details about what is happening with Rohit in your show?
My God, I don't know. For that, you guys need to just wait, and yeah, we'll be back soon.
You can't give us all the tea right now. Wait करना पड़ेगा ना? But it's exciting for sure.
It's very exciting. I promise you, it's that exciting. I love it.
Okay. I think it's wonderful that we've had a fantastic year like this. Are there few actors that have always inspired you and some work that you've seen?
I mean, there's so many actresses and actors who've inspired me. Preeti Zinta, Priyanka Chopra, Aishwarya Rai, Kangna, so many of them. I think each and everybody, they've had their own charm and aura. What they bring to the table was so beautiful, is so beautiful. So I mean, everybody, yeah.
Wonderful. The last question is, एक अगर आपके जर्नी से अगर एक लाइन आप उन नए एक्टर्स को बोलना चाहोगे, अब वो क्या होगा? एक अपनी जर्नी से सीखते हुए.
That always believe in yourself. There'll be times when people will not, but you have to believe in yourself, and that's one thing that'll just make you fly.
I love that answer. Thank you so much. And we are always rooting for you. She's such a brilliant actor, and I'm so excited to be meeting Kritika here. Always. You've done some fantastic work in OTT. And I feel like OTT has given actors those wings, an equalizer in its true sense. What are your thoughts on that?
I hope so. I think so. I think I have a lot of gratitude for this new arena, for us actors to play in. I've got to do some great shows here. My movies just come out. So just things that I feel were only possible on this platform.
I'm going to ask you some fun questions. I hope you're ready. Okay, let's go. What is one show or OTT that you've absolutely loved and why?
I'm currently watching Real Kashmir Football Club. Underrated, hidden gem, Sony Live. I really recommend.
Okay, what has been your guilty pleasure show?
My guilty pleasure show is Love is Blind.
Same pinch. Absolutely. Own it. Let's own it.
Yeah, I mean, some days when you really want to watch other people making bad decisions. Yes.
Girl, I so get you on this. Okay. What is the misconception about actors that you'd like to break here?
That actors have different kinds of acting for different mediums, like television and OTT and films. I think so. I think the fact that we still have to make these categories means that because an actor is an actor. I mean, what we do is the same on every medium. So,
What is the rumor about yourself that makes you really laugh?
rumor about me.
That makes you laugh. It has to be a funny one.
I recently heard that I'm going to get married, and that really cracked me up. Because it didn't come from my parents or anybody close.
declaring it for you.
Yeah, because I can imagine some people in the family starting that rumor, but not absolute strangers.
That's a funny one. I think a lot of women will relate to that kind of rumor. Of course. Okay. You've been in this industry for a while. There are a lot of young actors who are coming in this industry now. In any platform. What is one-liner advice that comes from Kritika that you've learned from your experiences here?
Grow a thick skin. Yeah, I think so. I think just to be able to face rejection and to be able to, be in a space where everybody has an opinion about you, about how you look and how you act and everything, and your opportunities will keep changing. So, yeah, believe in yourself and don't care about that.
The last one is some underrated actors who you think deserve so much more love.
Oh my God. I don't think I'm honestly qualified to say that. Like, who are we to say who's.
When we say underrated, I'd like to clarify. I'm saying that the world thinks you don't see them enough and you think they deserve more work and love, all of that.
So many actors. I cannot say underrated because absolute legend and star, but Farida Jalal has just made her sort of comeback in our film, The Great Shamsuddin Family. And a lot of people are writing to us on social media that it's so good to see her back. So, not underrated, but we want to see more of her.
That's exactly what we mean. Thank you so much. You're as usual wonderful and we're always cheering for you, Kritika. Thank you so much.